Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Wednesday, April 24th of 2019. We're halfway through the week, boys and girls, teachers and staff, so let's make it a great halfway point. For our morning announcements for today, we do have an April birthday to announce, so happy birthday to Brighton Verhagen. So it is your birthday today, so have a wonderful day. And for our lunch choices, we have grilled cheese with tomato soup, chicken patty sandwich, or Italian sub. And today for our pause, we have second grade students to talk about things with pause for today.
All right, I have some second grade boys here to help out with our pause for today.
No cheating on your test. It is bad. Be respectful to your friends. No running in the hall.
Those are great examples. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, fellas. I appreciate that. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. And at this time, please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. Make sure that you're standing and you have your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, guys. Much appreciated. So everyone have a great day today. Remember, it's Wednesday. Let's have a wonderful halfway point of the week. Remember, your choices are yours, so make some great ones today.